video, I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to get verified on Instagram. So what you need to do first is update your Instagram. You have to have the updated Instagram version on your phone. So what you need to do first is go to your Instagram. After that, you have to click on the three dot bar icon. Then you can see a pretty much option here. After that, you have to click on the settings and privacy option right there. Then what you need to do is click on accounts center. Okay, you have to click on it. After that, you have to just scroll on, and here is the option Meta Verified. You have to click on it. So here you can see here is the description of that. You have to read it carefully. So after reading it, you have to click on the next option right there. Then here you can see here is a confirm profile. I have the three profile, so you have to confirm. So if you have many profile in your Instagram, you have to confirm one of them. I'm gonna click this one. Okay, then here you can see here is an payment option right there. You will be billed 960 BTT per month. This is the monthly cost of your verified icon. Okay, so if you are accepting it, you have to click pay now. After that, you can see here I'm gonna click pay now. Okay, then you can add your credit card or debit card here. Then you can see here is your billing amount 960 per month. Here is the BTT Bangladeshi Taka. So this is pretty much it. This is how you can get verified in Instagram. So after you have pay the amount here, your profile will be have a verified badge. Okay, this is how you can get a verified account on your Instagram. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.